Hey guys, welcome back to Oscar Tech, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start page number on a specific page in Microsoft Word. I have an example of this here. Let's go to focus, see this example, and this is exactly what we are going to do. This is the cover page, for example, and this is another page, but it starts from 1, and the table of contents 2. This background page has a different number, 3, 4, this is 3, 4, and so on. This is exactly what we are going to do here. Alright, let's just click escape to go back to our document. Now, what we are going to do here is we will leave this cover page, we will not give it a number, but all of this one will have a number which is a Roman number, and this table of contents will have a Roman number, and this one will have this normal number. Alright, now to do so, let's go at the top. Now we want our numbering to start from this page, the second page. All right, we don't want our numbering to start from the cover page. Okay, what we should do here is we just have to click here. All right, go to page layout. In some versions of Word, we have page layout, while in Microsoft 365 we have layout. Okay, but you can simply edit this again. All right, now click layout. Once you click layout, go to bricks, click it, then go to this next page, click it. Once you have clicked it, this shows that you have just separated your text into two halves. Okay, now what you do here is go to insert and then go to page numbering. Okay, now I will like my number to be at the bottom center. This is what I will do. Now we have this number. But again, you will see that the number starts from where? 2. Not so. This is because we have other numbers from here. Okay. Now what we'll do here is we just go to page number and then we give this format number. Alright. Once you are there, you click start at, and then we want Roman number from this to appear in this page. We just click Roman number here. Alright, then we'll click OK. Once we are there, you can see that we have a Roman number. Alright, if you highlight this now, you can simply increase the font size, change the font style. Alright, it has been changed. And then if we scroll up, you will see we have other number at the title page. So now we don't want this number at the title page. Let's find a way to remove it. To remove this, we just click this link to previous. Now it is linked, and now let's just highlight this number and click delete on our keyboard. Once we have done that, let's just watch what we have done. As you can see, this is it. If we click the focus here to see what we have done, as you can see, we don't have a number on the title page, but we have a number on the other page and the table of content. These are Roman numbers. But the Roman number also continues on the other pages. But we don't want this to appear here. What we'll do is, let's just click escape to go back to our page. Now we are on our page. We don't want the Roman number to appear on this page and the other pages below this page. What we'll do here is we'll just click here and then go to this layout or page layout on the type of word you are using and click page break. Now that you're there, click next page. Then go to insert, click page number, and I want my number to appear at the bottom center, and I will click this. Now that you're there, go to page number and then click format page number. Once you are here, go to number format, click it, and then click the format that you want. I want this format to appear this way, and then it will start at 1. Now, as you can see, this is it. And you can simply change the font style, Times Roman, you click enter, and then change the font size. to 12. All right, if you want to bold it, you can simply bold it, but I don't want to bold it. Let it be like that. That's it. Okay, then this is it. All right, the pages start from here, 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 but let's go to focus mode so that we can see it very well. From the title page, you can see we don't have a number from the title page. It is exactly how we want it. We have Roman number here and Roman number on the table of content. That's the end of the Roman number. And then back to our numbering. This is page 1. This is page 2. This is page 3, and so on. This is how to start a page number on a specific page in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so that YouTube will notify you anytime I upload a new video.